we are taking a closer look now at the inflation picture in the food sector as prices show signs of easing. The food at home index rose 0.4% in October. That is the smallest monthly increase in this index since December of 2021. With more on this, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Brooke DiPalma. Brooke, Jared was just talking about some relief in the market. It's got to be a big relief to a lot of consumers who have seen those prices tick up at the grocery store.
Yeah, Kiko, good morning. Well, it certainly is relief month over month. But when I spoke to an economist at the BLS, a Bureau of Labor Statistics, that is, he emphasized that this is not necessarily a deceleration in grocery prices. This is a deceleration in grocery prices, not a decrease. So important to note there that year over year, grocery prices are still up 12.4%. So while this is a relief month over month, consumers still feeling a bit of the pinch when they compare it to last October. Now, some of the items that are seeing the biggest increase, of course, ones that we've been following: eggs, fats and oils, lettuce, flour, and prepared flour mixes. Of course, eggs, the avian flu outbreak taking a toll on that. Flour, Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and lettuce higher due to those climate changes. But this is a mixed bag, where opposed in prior months, we saw virtually everything rising. This month, some relief in certain items. Now, those include fresh fruits. That also includes fresh vegetables, as well as potatoes, fish and poultry, pork, and in addition to that, poultry itself down 1.1%. Now, of course, we recently touched on a study that Wells Fargo did when they take a look at the cost of Thanksgiving, much higher this year. But if you take a look at some alternate proteins like pork, like poultry, if you're willing to compromise there, maybe that could be a more economical option. Now, in addition to that, Steve Reed, that BLS economist, also noting that energy, transportation costs really driving these grocery prices higher here, so something to keep an eye on. And while consumers are feeling the pinch, companies are too. We heard from Dutch Bros CEO this morning that virtually everything in their basket is higher, including dairy, the price of coffee, even the price of ice, Kiko. So consumers and companies feeling that pinch here.
Yeah, a reminder of the pain still being there. Brooke DiPalma, thanks so much for that.